here's a very common problem with a dishwasher that's not starting. Okay, so here I wanted to show you an often occurring problem with newer dishwashers. Happens to older dishwashers too. In order for the dishwasher to work, what it needs to engage this switch up here. Well, that's not the switch, but this pushes into the switch. Now, sometimes what happens is this gets bent up or bent down, and then it won't engage the switch properly. Definitely needs some cleaning here, but that's not the story here. But anyway, that's one way that can occur. The other way it can be is if the dishwasher is off to the side too much or pushed to the side and it's not closing properly. Some different brands can be worse than others about this. But anyway, that's something to check there if it's not engaging the switch. Oftentimes all you got to do is take this and bend it down or bend it up with a pair of pliers in order to properly engage that switch. So if the switch isn't switching or if it's not latched, the dishwasher is not going to turn on. So something to look for. Other common problems or causes of a dishwasher not starting is a burned wire at the access control panel or a stuck impeller. You can check out my video 5 most common problems with dishwashers for more information on dishwashers and common problems with repairing dishwashers. But as far as a dishwasher not starting, first most often cause is a door switch that's not engaging or a latch that's not latching. This occurs a lot of times on newer dishwashers. Stuck impeller, which might actually happen more often across the board on all dishwashers. And then also a burned wiring, which usually happens at the connections inside the junction box, which is usually right here. You just remove 4 screws, sometimes it's 2 screws to remove the bottom access panel, and then that's where your wiring junction is. The dishwasher is usually plugged in. This one's actually all the way in this cabinet, but it's usually plugged in under the sink. Sometimes you can have a dishwasher that's come unplugged also. It can be another cause. Those are the most common. Again, you can check out my video 5 most common problems with dishwashers for more information on